So me and Jace just going for a little exploration around the local area. This is day 3. This is Saturday. We left home on the Thursday, and so we're just having a little bit of a exploration. Yesterday was just a bit of a relaxation day with our other couple of mates we got at the cabin, and they've gone off and done their own thing. Bit of hiking today, so me and Jay thought we'd jump on the bikes. A bit more fun than hiking. So just having a little bit of an explorer. What a cracker day. This is actually hot. This is the middle of winter. It's probably, I don't know, it's probably 20 degrees maybe. It's about lunchtime, about midday. Oh, beautiful spot. The shame is there's no water at the cabin. The cabin's got a permanent body of water out the front, which is part of the Mudgee River, but it is the lowest I've ever seen it in the last maybe 7 years of going there. And there's some spots up further that have only dried up in the last week. There's dead carp in the bottom. There's one spot that's just dried up completely. It was just mud. So I pulled a little turtle out. There was a little turtle. I didn't have a camera on me and I'm pretty sure he moved his leg when I pulled him out. His leg was, one of his legs, back legs, was stuck in the mud. So I pulled him out and put him in a little puddle of water. Hopefully, I'm going to go back there this afternoon. I'm going to grab a beer and go for a walk and go and see if I can find him. If he's not there, I'm assuming that he got out, because turtles tend to play dead when you pick them up. Look out. Oh, little kitties. So we're off the dirt now. This is back road into Wellington, which I've never been there before. I don't think it's far from Dubbo. We're just going to go in there and refuel. Probably check Facebook. The important things, you know. Check me subscriber count. And yeah, fill up fuel and head back to the cabin. Oh, so this is coming into Wellington, I think. There we go, this is Wellington. I think I have been here before. I've been to the Wellington caves, which is some caves at Wellington. It was a while ago that I had been there, but they've got everything, car wash. Alright, g'day folks. I'm back from my ride. Grabbed a beer and I'm heading down to where there was some dead fish, dead carp I think yesterday. And there's a little turtle down there that I'm going to see if he was alive. I'm pretty sure he was alive, because his leg did move. The area I'm going to is just recently, within the last few days, the water's dried out and it's just mud. And this turtle looked like he was stuck in the mud. When I went to move him, it looked like his leg moved. And you know how turtles play dead, and they so they don't get attacked and they stay in their shell. But I put him up in a little puddle. I'm pretty sure I saw bubbles coming out. I hung around for about 10 minutes. So hopefully, if he's gone, hopefully that means he was alive and I saved him. If he's still there, poor little fella. Not worried about the carp because they're just vermin. Hang on, how am I going to get down here? Oh, there's a kangaroo. Can't see him. There he is, just here. This is the only one. Oh, there's two there. Oh, missed him. I tripped over. There you go. Let's see if we can't climb down here. Where are we going? Oh, we've got to go down here. We'll go down this way. Those kangaroos are still hanging around. So here's this spot down here. I'm pretty sure this was it. Just down here, you can see. You can see down here where all the mud is. That's pretty much where all the dead fish were. There was a puddle on a rock. And oh, here we go. Turtle's gone. Oh no, he hasn't gone, he just hasn't been able to get out. Righto. So there he is there, there's a little turtle. I put him in that puddle there. I know it was probably a silly spot to put him, but so he must be still alive. So yeah, he's still alive. His leg moved. Problem I've got is I've got a beer and I've got a camera and I want to carry him to the next waterhole. He's still alive. I'm going to carry him. You can see his leg going in there. I'm going to carry him to the next waterhole. So I've got a nice little pond, part of the river, but it's
still got a bit of water in it. I'm going to come over to the edge and put him in the water and see if he moves at all. Just leave his little head sticking out. His little head's on this side. Just leave that sticking out. So he can get the water, but he can still get a breath if he needs to. And he can go in at his own pace. I'm just going to sit here for a while and see if he moves.